Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day. I get to unbox my brand new iPhone 6s in rose gold, and it is a 32 gig model. Okay, my current handset is the 5S, and it has run its course. It's all paid off and stuff, so I decided to upgrade from the 5S to the 6S, and I've never had one of these in my hands. I did this online, so this is going to be interesting. Here we go. If I activate through Rogers Online, I get to avoid the $25 line connection charge. So I thought I'd try it. So yeah, so far it's working good. I ordered my phone, the right color, the right size, and it showed up. So here we go. All right. Yay, brand new. Gotta love it. Okay. Ugh. Fairly solid getting that off. Nice solid box. I like that. That way you can store all your stuff in it and you know it's going to be there for a long time to come. Okay, here is the phone. It is very thin, nice and slim. It is all metal. The buttons are metal, the frame, the back, it's all metal. It's 7000 series aluminum, which I really appreciate. The newer phones are going to glass on both sides to help with wireless charging, and I don't like them. It's hard enough keeping this glass nice, okay? I don't like that idea that it's both sides. So I am sticking with an older phone. I know this 6S is an older phone, but I'll stick with this one. Okay, so this of course is the silent switch over here, and the volume up and down, and this would be the turn on and off, and that's the SIM card drawer. Okay, so let's just get into this package, see what else it comes with. Alright, there's a little envelope kind of thing with the SIM key to open that magic little drawer there. You just stick it in the little hole and it pops open. There's also stickers.
Apple stickers.
Apple stickers! Apple! Yes.
More stickers for Kevin to steal.
No. I have an iPhone. I'm keeping them. Okay. So, yeah, these are just feature cards. It just shows you where all the switches are. It's kind of intuitive. It's, you know, really not necessary, but okay. Okay, so let's stick those back in there. Now this did come with a brand new SIM card, which I will have to go online and activate and switch over from my old one. But that'll come in time. Just getting into this now. Okay. Now we have a USB to lightning cable for charging and data transfer. We also have a plug with a USB port in it so that you can do the charging in a outlet. Otherwise, you can plug this into your computer. It'll charge from there. I usually have charge stations everywhere. I have one by the bed, I have one by the computer, I have one in the car. I have availability to charge no matter where I am. So, oh, and I have a portable charger, which I have a video on my channel. Please go check that out. Okay, they give you ear pods, and it has the usual jack in it for connecting at the bottom of the phone. See, there's where you charge. There's where you charge your phone, and you stick the lightning cable in there, and then that is your headphone port, and there is your mic and speakers area there. And there we go. That is a bit bigger. The earpods have volume up and down on them, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to use these. I do use earphones and stuff, but I have my set, but I may try those. They look kind of interesting. We'll see. But other than that, I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. That's the bottom of it. So there isn't a whole lot to it in there, which is fine. Now, if you're interested in the size difference, here is my 5S, okay? 5S, 6S. There is quite a difference in size. If I line up the bottoms and the one corner, look at the difference here. That is going to be an adjustment for me. There is a strip up the side. It's a little bit wider, and it's definitely longer by a good piece. And the thicknesses are different as well. The new one, the 6S, is very thin. This is thicker. So it's going to be different for me to hold in my hand and get used to, but I think I can. The only difference for me is it will be a two-handed thing, whereas with the 5S, it was very easy to just hit it with my thumb, do things, you know. So anyway, I don't know how well this is charged. Let's just see if it's got any kind of charge in it. Oh, it's firing up. It's waking it up after a long nap. It has not been started yet. This is brand new. So it's got to sort itself out. There we go. Hello! That is the sign of a brand new iPhone. When it says, hello, we're going to set stuff up here. The battery is showing 3/4 of a charge. So I'm going to top that up and activate my SIM and transfer stuff that I have on my 5S. And yeah, I got some work to do. So thanks for watching. This is an awesome phone. It is a bit lighter, I think. Even though it says in numbers it's heavier, I think this one feels heavier because it's small and it's compact and it's heavy. Like it's, I don't know. it's a paradox, I think, because this one is spread out. I don't think it feels like it as much. But anyway, I got some setting up to do. So thanks very much for watching, and I'm sure you'll see many more videos on my channel with this phone as I use it, get to know it a bit better, have some experience with it. I can do a review on it and what I think of it, and so on and so on. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.